Okay, so I'm gonna throw this thing right here. I'm gonna throw it into the closet, and I'll just get it later. I just want the bird out of my closet, and I'm gonna like, oh my god, I don't even see it in there. I don't know what to do. Okay, here goes. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god. I think it's, I don't know where it went. Oh my god, that fucking thing touched me. Oh my god. Okay. I think it's gone. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, what the fuck just happened? Oh my god, I don't know. Okay. Toby, and the dog just runs out. Okay. Wow. You guys, I really think that was like the dumbest idea. I just got fucking attacked by a bird. I just screamed like a bitch. Oh my god. Okay. That was fun. I'm gonna go shut my window now. And probably, sleep downstairs. Okay.